Welcome to Autoscope, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews. Today, we dive into the powerful and innovative 2025 Ford Excursion, a full-size SUV that redefines luxury, performance, and versatility. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends rugged capability with modern elegance, this one deserves your attention. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Autoscope for more detailed reviews like this. The 2025 Ford Excursion is a visual masterpiece. Its bold and muscular stance is accentuated by the new front grille design with active shutter technology for optimized aerodynamics. The adaptive matrix LED headlights not only improve visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. From the side, you'll notice the sleek character lines and massive 22-inch alloy wheels, specially designed for both on-road refinement and off-road durability. At the rear, Ford's signature C-shaped taillights and the power liftgate showcase the attention to detail. Step inside, and the 2025 Ford Excursion welcomes you with unparalleled luxury. The spacious cabin comfortably seats up to 8 passengers, thanks to the extended wheelbase. Premium materials, such as genuine leather upholstery and open-pore wood accents, elevate the ambience. The tech-packed dashboard includes a 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen powered by Ford's latest S1C5 system, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster is customizable, displaying everything from navigation to off-road metrics. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They enjoy dual 12-inch entertainment screens, a tri-zone climate control system, and USB-C ports in every row. Under the hood, the Excursion packs a punch with its 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing an impressive 440 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth yet powerful acceleration. For those who crave efficiency, there's a hybrid powertrain option combining a turbocharged V6 with an electric motor, delivering up to 27 miles per gallon combined, a significant feat for a full-size SUV. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or towing up to 9,500 pounds, the advanced 4x4 system with terrain management ensures you're in control. Modes like sand, mud/ruts, and rock crawl make it a true off-road warrior. Safety is where the 2025 Ford Excursion truly shines. It comes equipped with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 technology, offering features like adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering assist, 360-degree camera system with off-road spotter view, blind spot information system with trailer coverage. In addition, the Excursion includes Ford Blue Cruise 2.0, allowing for hands-free driving on pre-mapped highways, a game-changer for long-distance trips. The 2025 Ford Excursion is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Whether you're seeking a family SUV or a rugged adventure companion, this model delivers on every front. If you're impressed by the features of this powerhouse, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autoscope, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest reviews. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the 2025 Ford Excursion? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review on Autoscope.